Hello, I'm a local from Japan. Did you know you can find some incredibly clever items at Daiso for just 100 yen? Today I'm going to introduce 10 amazing Daiso items that might surprise you in Japan. I've carefully selected 10 must-see items that locals actually love, so let's get started. Number 1. Handle Vegetable Cutter. Handle vegetable cutter is a convenient kitchen tool that quickly chops vegetables with a simple handle pull mechanism. To use it, you place vegetables such as onions, carrots, or garlic inside the container. Close the lid and pull the handle. The internal blades spin rapidly, chopping the ingredients evenly in just a few seconds. This makes food preparation faster and easier, especially when you need finely chopped vegetables. You don't need a knife or advanced cooking skills, and the vegetables are chopped inside the container, which helps prevent mess and keeps your kitchen counter clean. Also, you can save cooking time, so highly recommend it. Number 2. Sensu. Folding fan is a traditional Japanese accessory that combines practicality with beautiful design. Known as a sensu, it is lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, making it perfect for staying cool during Japan's hot and humid summers. Despite the low price, they come in a wide variety of stylish designs, including traditional Japanese patterns, modern prints, and seasonal motifs. It's lightweight, practical, and Japanese, so good souvenir as well. I want you to try it. Number 3. Kendama. Kendama is a traditional Japanese skill toy that is simple, fun, and surprisingly challenging. Kendama consists of a wooden handle with 3 cups and a spike, along with a ball connected by a string. The goal is to catch the ball in the cups or spike it on the tip using coordination and timing. It still provides the same classic gameplay that has been enjoyed in Japan for generations. Kendama is lightweight, easy to carry, and fun for all ages, so Kendama is also a good souvenir as well, so highly recommend it. Number 4. Food keychains. Food keychains are cute accessories designed to look like popular Japanese foods such as sushi, snacks, and more. Many of the designs are inspired by foods that are closely associated with Japanese culture, making them fun and memorable souvenirs for you. The designs are creative and eye-catching, making them a great way to add personality to your bag, keys, or backpack. They are small, lightweight, and playful, so Daiso's food keychains are popular not only with children but also with adults who enjoy cute Japanese-style accessories. Please try it. Number 5. Tableware. Daiso offers a wide range of tableware, including plates, bowls, cups, chopsticks, and small serving dishes. Many items are inspired by traditional Japanese aesthetics, such as simple ceramic designs, natural colors, and seasonal patterns. My recommendation is miso soup bowl. These bowls are typically lightweight and easy to hold, with a comfortable shape that fits naturally in your hands. Many designs are inspired by classic Japanese lacquerware, featuring simple colors such as black, red, or wood-style finishes that create an authentic Japanese dining atmosphere. While designed for miso soup, they can be used for rice, small noodle dishes, or side dishes as well. Also, some tablewares are microwave and dishwasher safe, so highly recommend it. Number 6. Chopsticks. Daiso's chopsticks are affordable, practical, and come in a wide variety of designs. They are a popular item for both everyday use and as souvenirs from Japan. Daiso offers many styles, including simple udon chopsticks, colorful designs, and chopsticks with traditional Japanese patterns. Some are also designed with anti-slip tips, making them easier to use, especially for beginners. Despite the low price, the quality is good enough for daily use, and many sets come with matching cases or are reusable. It's lightweight, practical and uniquely Japanese, so good souvenir as well. Number 7. Compressed face masks. Compressed face masks are small, tablet-shaped sheet masks that expand when soaked in liquid. They are designed to be used with your favorite skincare products such as toner, essence, or lotion. Because they are compressed into tiny tablets, they are very compact and easy to carry, making them perfect for travel or daily skincare routines. You can customize your skincare by soaking the mask with your preferred toner or essence, allowing you to create a personalized face mask experience. Simple, practical and travel friendly, they are popular beauty items, so highly recommended. Number 8. Noren Fabric Wall Hangings. Fabric wall hangings are decorative cloth items designed to easily add color and personality to a room. They are lightweight fabric decorations that can be hung on a wall like a tapestry, often featuring beautiful patterns inspired by Japanese culture, nature, or traditional designs. Simply hanging one on the wall can instantly create a stylish and cozy atmosphere without the need for large decorations. They can be used not only as wall decorations but also as table covers, shelf covers, or even small curtains, making them a practical and creative home decor item. It's lightweight and easy to fold, so great souvenir as well, so highly recommended. Number 9. Onigiri Maker. Onigiri Maker is a simple and convenient kitchen tool that helps you make perfectly shaped Japanese rice balls at home. With this tool, you just fill the mold with cooked rice, press it gently, and release a neatly shaped onigiri. It allows you to create evenly sized rice balls quickly and easily, which is especially helpful when making several at once for lunch boxes, picnics, or family meals. Even beginners or visitors to Japan can easily recreate one of Japan's most popular foods at home. You can bring Japanese culture back very easily, and also it's good item for souvenir, so highly recommended. Number 10. Seasoned Egg Maker. Seasoned Egg Maker is a convenient kitchen tool designed to easily make flavorful Japanese style marinated eggs, often called ajitsuke tamago. With this container, you simply place the boiled eggs inside, pour in soy sauce based marinade, and close the lid. The special shape helps the eggs soak evenly in the sauce while using only a small amount of seasoning. This makes it an efficient and mess-free way to prepare delicious marinated eggs. You can make restaurant-style ramen eggs at home with very little effort, and the compact container fits easily in the refrigerator. Seasoned egg and ramen are very good combo. Through this item, I want you to try it. Okay, that's the end of my video. I'm glad that you enjoy my video, and also I'm very glad that you like and subscribe. Comment is also welcome. I hope you'll have a great Japan trip. Thanks.